Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Uba lamprang bla ubadai ukartong kaseng National People's Party uban yakun yak election chiteng samoy na Mauplang constituency kabahab ha East Khasi Hills District ulayok bantap kerteng yalade ha office jong ka Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District kabalalong mentakas ngi kahanyaw tarik urisau arhajar arpaway ha kajing senran lang kinongkit kambah khmat jong ka NPP kum ukon rat ke sangma ubadai menteri rang ba ka jela uba preston tensong ubadai usembut menteri rang ba jong ka jela uba snew halang dhar ki MDC rengkat uba WR Kharlukhi ubade UMP Karaja Sabha bat Presiden ke NPP Meghalaya. Kani kajing thap kerteng kalong banyakun yak election chiteng samoy na Mauplang constituency hadien kajing khlatno uba Eskesun ubade UML Ibarim.
Bentar sih ada berfile ke nomination juga. Baik, udah malami sekat pada sebentar election. Ya kerana ni bahan pun sertong. Kataru lembaga kajing kersan joki wajba nomjit juga Mauplang constituency.
Tapi mi nak kongres mah, ialah nak NPP. Pitrai ki nokasan kongres kin one of the berkhanya nerukom nak kin.
Hot ya lami na kongres banyak NPP. Yang pilih ba ki nokasan kongres. Gimana ni banyak telang bangam dari ka itu juga mulai telang baki di MDC tala jam salesman
ada pijak ki kimat ki beningkong du ki bangkile nama da konstituensi
ada ki paiba juga Mauplang konstituensi ki ai ka jing sini ai na na penjot yang di sen meminta di kebenkong dan ya saya upay ba orang ya ka doi kapar pagjinya kita dah juga konstruksi ki kedua jige kamda maka jike syafran jo ulang kesana ya jing pilih jong naliang juga UDP ba Eugene ba ni jige sekali juga kanum dakta dan ba ya saya upay ba ki happen page Misal, kamu lawan, dengan kor, kena konstruksi berkuai dengan kau.
Bapa, sautan beralong kompetisi mo. Kasi ka bapulong ti banyak punya election masa banyak ka election ya ka election dulu bulan.
Jalur ko sila sautan. Nahajing khak kendit jung ba Eskesun la kham no beli jebo khon inga ba don kaji anu on makham ki ho kuma bisi chitam ha ba don kaji.
You see, in politics, especially in a democracy like ours, in India, we have over 700 political parties across the country. Some political parties, in fact, most political parties don't even have a single member. Today, the NPP, out of the 700 political parties, is number 8 to be a national party. So, not trying to compare or trying to say who's bigger or smaller, but there is always room for anybody to come up. But the question is, will they have an electoral impact? That has to be seen. They have the right to put up their party. They have the right to form and express their concerns. This is a democracy. But will it ultimately lead to electoral success? That needs to be seen, which is something that is not clear as of now.